Hi everyone, Neutral Silicone from Worth. But why neutral silicone? Why not the silicon acetate that you are accustomed to, that you use every single day for the past how many years? Well, it's simple because neutral silicone does not contain any acetoxy and also zero solvents. What that means is you can use it on almost any painted surface or any delicate surfaces. Secondly, it is highly adhesive and it will adhere or stick to almost any type of material, including glass, wood, stone, plastics, and the list is endless. Then also it's got great UV resistance, meaning it can be used indoors and outdoors. It is also partially paintable. So what that means is it will accept any paint on it, but you might get a slightly different shade from the surrounding area, which is also painted with the same color. And then also it is also available in all the different colors, namely clear or transparent, black, white, and gray. And then last but not least, tube size. Yes, size does matter. The tube size is a 310 milliliter tube compared to some of the other brands, which has got a 280, 260, or sometimes even a 240 milliliter tube. So it's crucial to compare the price per milliliter.